Hello Swift County, my name is Jacob. I'm our Communities Assistant Director, and today I'm going to go through with you on how to set up a civilian profile in Sonoran CAD and how to get your picture and get it integrated into your driver's license. So as far as the picture goes, we're going to come over to a white colored or a light colored wall. The car dealership works great for this. A gray background works very good for DMV pictures. So I'm going to get out. I'm going to scroll in a little bit, walk to the wall, go first person, turn around. You can back up again, up against the wall. You should be able to scroll out and you will be with the wall. So get a good distance away, close enough that you can see everything, get as even as you can. On Windows, I only know about Windows, you're going to have snip and sketch. So let's open a new snip and sketch. Bring this over here so I can show. You're going to hit new. You're going to get right about at your shoulder and come across about like that. Try to make it somewhat square. It does not have to be perfect, just has to have your character in it. Once that pulls up, then we can come to save as. And then find somewhere to save it. This is James Reed. Name that whatever you can or whatever you want. Save it somewhere that you can find it. Hit save, and then we're done with that. Now we can come down to Sonoran CAD. When you first log in, this is what you're going to see. Click on Civilian, New Character. For Civilian Photo, you hit the little cloud with Upload. Click on Upload on the plus sign. Go to Open. Go to that folder that you saved it in. Click on your ID picture, and then hit Upload once again. Now that's uploaded. That is now a part of your character. Then you can make your character from then. So first name is going to be James, last name is going to be Reed, middle initial is going to be M. You can pick a random date of birth, depending on how old you want that character to be. I'm going to go back to about 1995 or so for this character. And then you can pick any month or day, it's just your preference. I'm going to pick July 27th, which would make my character 27 years old. Click your male or female. If your character has any aliases, or if they're known by a different name or a street name, you can enter that here. You can put your residence in, and once you get in game, you can get here, open the map, go to street names and building numbers. You can toggle those. So if I want my house to be 7045 Franklin Court, I come back to CAD, type in 7045 Franklin Court, the zip code. You come back to the game. Then you can toggle your postal codes. That's going to be 704. Then you can pick an occupation, put bank worker. Come up with a random height. In this format, you're going to do feet first, and then inches second. For your weight, you enter in any random number. Well, not any random number, a realistic weight. And then LBS for pounds. Skin tone, hair color, eye color, emergency contact. If you have another character or another player that you play with often, you can put them in there. You can put the relationship of that person in there and the contact number for your emergency contact. Then you're going to click on Add Character. From there, you can go to DMV and License. This will be admin only. You click on status. So if you want your license to be valid, expired, or suspended, you could put that there. Or pending. If you want to say if it's for a gun license, you could put pending. I'm going to do valid driver's license. Typically your driver's license is good for about 8 years from the day that you got it, which is typically on your birthday is when it renews every year. Mine would expire, say I got it in 2020, it would expire in 2027, and this guy's birthday is July 27th, so we'll do that. And now that is set up, we can ignore this. You've got your civilian information here. You hit add record. Then an admin will go in and approve that. Same thing for a gun license, same deal. Only thing you change would be weapon, same thing for hunting. So we're going to X out of that. We're going to go to DMV and vehicle registration. I'm going to go back to game real quick. And I'm going to go to the civilian team. We get into the civilian team, we'll have a vehicle. We can spawn that vehicle in. I'm going to go down to my Ford F-150 and spawn that in. That is your license plate. You can change that in the mod shop, or you can use the one that it spawns with. Come back to CAD, go to status. You can do pending, which typically wouldn't happen for a vehicle registration. Valid, expired, suspended, and if someone steals your vehicle and you want to RP that, you could hit stolen. I'm going to do valid for now. Expiration, this happens in years, 1 year at a time. 2023, this character's birthday is July 27th. You come down to the vehicle type, and you can copy your vehicle's license plate, T00667-667. This vehicle type is going to be a truck. This is going to be a Ford F-150, or you could use the Falcon Advance in-game name. It's going to be red in color, and I believe it's 2018. You just hit add record, and that's all you need to do. If y'all have any questions, please feel free to ask us in questions and support, or you can DM me personally.